All done?
Nope. 600.
600?
620. Just headers, flex fuel, upper pulley.
So we got the blower, new upper pulley on here. Let's see, this is a 255. Supercharger has been cleaned up. New orange gasket, of course.
Broken exhaust bolts.
Broken exhaust bolts.
Got that out. Rotors.
What's up, Alex?
Hey.
What we got? 3 Series?
Yeah, 335 diesel.
Diesel?
Ooh. Balance shaft, come on. Problem.
Balancer problem?
Come on, problem broken. You got it over there, look.
Oh, this is the old one.
You broken this?
Yeah.
Rubber.
It's right here. Oh yeah, all the way around.
Yeah, it's spinning because it's completely broken.
Yeah.
And then nothing gets run by the belt.
Yep. Makes sense. Makes sense. So we got the new one on.
100,000 on that pulley.
100,000 miles?
Only, yeah.
Woo.
German engineer.
On turbo diesel. Yeah. Alex is all done. She has done the cam. He's done the new sprockets, new timing chain, all that sort of stuff. The new springs, big old Whipple blower, U rails from Whipple. Pretty sweet. Pulleys, a belt, need that, throttle body, fuel system, let's see. Fuel injector connection. What size is this blower, you know? 2.9? On a vert, daily driven. We're gonna see how it does. Like I said, the vert. BB was telling me that we have to change this blower because the pulley is...
Well, the previous owner bought it all.
Yep. So if you see, this pulley does not line up at all. Dang, that kind of sucks though. I really wanted to see this blower on this. We're back. We got the turbo almost mounted.
Nah, it's mounted. Just trying to test fit everything. And we'll mount it all up.
True.
You get these kits, they tell you it's direct fit, but you always got to modify a little bit. It's not going to have AC, washer fluid. You turbo your car, you got to delete everything. That's a fat turbo.
Yeah, it is. That thing's heavy.
It's a good like 80 pounds.
80 pound turbo, imagine that. 80 pound turbo. What you think about that?
80 pounds of boost?
80 pound.
Oh, the weight. What size turbo is it?
Looks like a
70?
90.
Hell no. Ain't no 90.
It's not a 70.
That's not a 90.
It's like an 80.
My turbo way bigger than that.
Let's just say it's an 80. Alright, hold on.
My turbo way bigger than that.
Alright. Comment down below.
Close to the 90.
Comment down below if y'all think it's 90, like
I
G.
have a 76, so I know.
My turbo is way bigger than that.
Or comment down below if you believe in Rome. What do you think? He said 70. I said 80, so we'll see what it is. Comment down below right now. V2.
This is base file.
Base
I
file.
already put it to.
There we go. So,
Logging in, making sure everything's good.
there we go. What's goody? It's like 90 degrees out here, 95 degrees.
Feels like it's 200.
Super humid.
We built the whole car, but we can't get the decal to stick to the window.
I don't know. I don't know if the window is just like too hot. And then I'm hard-headed, so I'm like, nah, we're gonna get this stick. Hey.
We good now.
Might be cooked. Long stage X below. On throttle body. Couple other stuff. Rotor fab intake, cam, full bolt on. She ready.
Anyways, it's a nice color red. So big rotors, nice big calipers on here, looking sweet. So I'm gonna wait on Chi to tell me what we're doing, but maybe we're doing torque tube. Only reason why I say that is because, well, both wheels are off, and this middle exhaust, well, I guess the mid pipes for the exhaust are off. There you go, you see the back half. So that's what I'm gonna guesstimate. We'll wait for Chi and see if I was right or wrong. So one step closer to having the subframe out. Well, the subframe is out, but you have to get to the torque tube, right?
Yes, sir.
So you
I'm trying to
just
separate it right now.
that. Oh, I didn't see that you had this down. Oh, dang. See, this is the thing with Chi. You leave and come back 10 minutes later, and this thing is it's almost done. So.
Yes, sir. Ready to carry this?
Carry. Yeah, all right. I guess we're gonna have to carry it.
Put the camera down.
All right. Yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back, YouTube. Tube is out. Just about done with this car. She's gonna add a Mighty Mouse catch can. Let's see where it says Mighty Mouse. So she's gonna add a Mighty Mouse catch can to this. Much needed. You're gonna need one of these if you start doing a couple upgrades. Just so the purpose of that is to suck in all the oil that's not trying to get to the supercharger. That's what you don't want. About 600 horsepower. So it's not bad. It's a stick car, Recaro seats, sunroof. This nice burgundy color. So what is going on, YouTube? You've reached the end of the video and you've enjoyed the content. Give us a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Next video, this WS6 will be getting finished up.